Alright, today I'm going to show you how to replace the image transfer belt. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to open up the front door and remove the waste toner bottle. And then we're going to click this little lever over here, and then that's going to release the image transfer belt cleaning unit. I've got a video on how to rebuild that. If you're going to replace the image transfer belt, then you're going to need to rebuild that unit as well. Then I'm going to come over here to this side, and we're going to remove the fuser unit, lever here and a lever here, and then this unit will come right out. And then we're going to go back to the front here real quick. I almost forgot. Pull this lever down and turn that like that. Okay. Now we're going to go to that screw, and we're also going to release this lever out there like that. We're going to push down the image transfer second roller, and then we'll undo those. And now the image transfer belt will come right out, and I'll show you on this one. This can get little nicks and dings in it and all kinds of stuff, but this particular one, it's starting to fall apart, and kind of surprising because these things generally last a long time. But this machine's only got like 180,000 copies on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to get this apart. If you have to order this unit right here, it's going to be no less than 500 bucks. Most of the time they're going to be closer to around $6. This right here to replace this is about $350, so it's going to save you about half the money. So let me pause and get set up, and I'll show you. Alright, so what we're going to do is I'm just going to do this about halfway so that we don't waste too much of your time, but you'll take that screw out. There'll be another one on the other side, and then there'll also be a spring right here. You just pop that out. Then this will come off just like that. This side will raise up and come right off as well. And then now, once you get, of course, like I said, on this other side, there's going to be a spring right there, and you want to release it. Then you can just pull this belt right up, okay? And once you do that, then you can install the other one right back onto it. So then we just do it in reverse order. Okay, we're not going to put the spring in yet because we need to get this bracket in first. Put our spring back in. It's just down in there like that. And there we go. Now, ideally, I'm touching this one because we know it's going to be replaced. But ideally, you do not want to be touching this belt if at all possible. And now we will just go back to putting it back in. Alright, so we will just slide it right back down on those guides right there, those white ones. And sometimes this will not want to, I want to show you this real quick. Sometimes this little lever right here on the front side, it can get popped up and out of place. We need that to be down like that. Okay. Otherwise, that lever in the front that's what engages that lever right there, and it's not going to want to go around, and you won't get that front lever that we pulled down and twisted. You won't get that back up in there. Okay. Now we can put our fusion unit back in. Maybe. There we go. That side is done. Now we can get that back in there, and then we'll put our cleaning unit back in. That just pushes in until it clicks. Waste time in the bottle. Now, once we've got all of that back in, we're going to run, well, on a Ricoh, it was called line position adjustment. But in a Toshiba, I believe they call it closed loop control. So we're going to have to get into the service program mode. So we'll go user functions, and then we'll hit this gear up here, hold that down. Sorry about that. I wanted to get that bright light out of the way. Pound 1048 pound, and then OK. And then we're going to go to the 05 mode, next, and then classic, and then over to the right we're going to punch in 2742, and it will say it right up there, and we will hit start. We'll hold the machine cycle. Alright, now we will hit, I'll just hit clear to be on the safe side, 4719, and then start. And that's going to be a color registration control. And then after we get done with this, we're going to go in and we're going to run a test chart and make sure everything looks good. Okay, so we'll go on F back there. Then we'll come down here to chart mode. Next, and then you're going to run this first one over here to the left, and then you will hit print. And then it's going to print out a test sheet that looks something nice and pretty like that. Okay. And that will do it. Oh, by the way, I almost forgot. If you need to know how to rebuild the cleaning unit that cleans this transfer belt, go back to one of my other videos, and there will be a video on how to rebuild that cleaning unit. Don't want to forget, I'm always promoting these just simply because they're fantastic. I've been working on copiers for 40 years. I've tried everything under the sun. This is the most powerful screwdriver for its size that you will find. You can buy these on Amazon. I'll leave a link. They come with 2 batteries, a charger, and a nice case. I've got about 6 or 7 of these because I've got other service techs. We all use these. We all love them, just so you know. And if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. If you can think of anything else that you would like me to make a video that I can help you with, please do so.